Hello, my name is Sean. Welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna talk more Ferrari. And I'm gonna give you some insider secrets. I'm filming this back to back from last week's video talking about the SF90 Stradale pricing. Let's just say I have my Ferrari juices flowing. I want to talk about some Ferrari, and I want to talk about when I think the Laferrari replacement is coming. And before you even ask, no, I don't have an inside plug. I don't know anything. Ferrari's not telling me nothing, not talking to me. I don't even know if they have anything in development, but I'm gonna put some ideas out there just so I can say, look what I told you, look what happened, just in case it does happen. And if it doesn't happen, well then I'm wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times, and I might be wrong right now, but I do believe the Laferrari replacement is coming in 2024, and I'm gonna tell you why right now. And I believe this to be the date because that is the 60th anniversary to the end production of the 250 GTO and the 40th anniversary to the starting production of the 288 GTO. Two significant cars in Ferrari's history, one of the greatest race cars ever, and the first in the modern Ferrari hypercar heritage. And I do believe this car will have GTO in its name. Of course, this being the Laferrari replacement, it will have a V12. No sense in this car not having a V12 when the SF90 Stradale is a hybrid V8. Now, I don't know if this car is going to be hybrid. It could be naturally aspirated with, 4 turbos duct taped to it for all I know. I don't know. This is all speculatory. Actually, I'm making it up as I go. That is the beauty of Go, where I can just put my thoughts out there without having to write them down and say whatever comes to my mind as I'm thinking of new ideas to talk about or new things I think that might happen within the automotive industry from somebody who thinks way outside of the box. Now, I could be wrong and the Laferrari replacement isn't coming for another 10 years, and they might do something special with the SF90 Stradale for the anniversary of those two cars, or one of those cars. I don't know which one's more important to Ferrari. In my mind, it's the 250 GTO, one of the greatest sports cars of its era, the most expensive car on the planet bar none. Or Ferrari could be doing something with the 812 Superfast to pay homage to the 250 GTO. We haven't seen, the 812's TDF version. An 812 GTO would be perfect for homage to the 250 because they're both V12s, and actually the 288 GTO was a V8. So they could be making a GTO variant for both the 812 and the SF90 Stradale. I might have just cracked the code, y'all. All of these thoughts are coming to me at the same time, and it's overwhelming what Ferrari could do to, celebrate the anniversaries of those two cars. And if it's going to be two separate cars, it really does make sense because those cars are different. They came out 20 years apart, yes, and they both do share the GTO name, but one's a V12 and one's a V8. And right now, Ferrari does have both, and they don't have to develop a whole new car to pay homage to the one. Let's say my initial thought of 2024 being off for the Laferrari successor, and it's really gonna come out 3 years later in 2027 on the anniversary of the F40, the last hypercar Enzo Ferrari had any input into. I think I went too far down the rabbit hole. What do you guys think? When is the Laferrari successor coming? Is it coming in 3 years? Is it coming in 6 years? Is it coming this summer? Who knows? I'm just putting some ideas out there, show the future viewers that I was ahead of the curve. I'm just making videos to appease the algorithm. But with all that said, I'm gonna bring this video to a close before I lose my mind. So if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. Got a lot in store for the channel. Really want you guys to be there with me. With that said, I'll catch you later.